light grow dim, but I will rest my hope in Him.
For though the vine bears not its fruit, your mercy holds my steadfast root. Silent faith, unspoken grace, hope that time cannot erase. When all is still and prayers seem few, my heart will wait and trust in you. No bloom to see, no song to hear, yet still your presence draws me near. When reasons fade and answers hide, you are my peace, my steady guide. Through barren fields, my soul will say, you are enough for me today. Even in the dark you shine, your hidden light forever mine. Though nothing blooms, I will rejoice and praise you with my silent voice. Silent faith, unbroken flame, worship whisper through your name. Though all is gone, still I will see my joy, my strength, my God in me. Come all who labor, come all who weep, rest in the arms of love so deep. His yoke is gentle, His mercy wide. Come find your peace at Jesus' side. You calm my fears, you lift my head. In you my weary soul is fed.
Abiding still, my heart made new. Your steadfast grace is ever true. Through burdened days and sleepless nights, your presence shines my soul's delight. When I am weak, you carry me. Your tender as my remedy.
Near to rest where I belong. soul is free, for peace has found its home in thee. You take my pain, you lift my load, you guide me gently down this road. Through quiet streams, through valleys wide, you walk with me, my faithful guide. No greater rest could ever be than dwelling close eternally. When all around is torn and loud, you whisper peace without a sound. My restless soul at last will see your stillness, Lord, is home to me. Near to rest in mercy's flow, your grace renews the heart I know. Forever calm, forever blessed, in you I find my perfect rest. You make your home within my soul. You calm my storms and make me whole. When shadows fall and fear takes part, you light a fire within my heart. Your rod and staff, they comfort me. Your peace becomes my melody. No fear can stay where you reside. Your love eternal will abide. You walk with me through every field. Your mercy sows, my heart is healed. You lead me close, you set me free. Your dwelling place, my sanctuary. Home within your heart I rest, safe and sound, forever blessed. No greater place I long to be than living where you dwell in me. You made a space that never fades, where every wound to grace is laid. Though miles may stray voice the song I long to hear.
You've written peace upon my door and called me yours forevermore. No distance far, no world apart could move me from your steadfast heart.
Home within your heart I rest, redeemed, restored, completely blessed, eternal grace unbroken part, forever home within your heart. Abide with me till time is done, till faith becomes the risen sun. When shadows fade and day is born, I'll rest in love forever warm. No other home my heart can find than peace with you, both soul and mind.
No greater call, no sweeter sound than being lost in grace profound.
Through
'Twas the month of